In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Calendar. If your calendar events are showing the wrong time, or if you've recently moved or are traveling, updating your time zone in Google Calendar is a quick fix. The good news is that this only takes a moment, and Google saves the change automatically, so there's no need to worry about hitting a separate save button at the end. To get started, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the page and find the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you can adjust how your calendar behaves and displays information. Click the gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Google Calendar account. When the settings page opens, look toward the menu on the left-hand side. Under the General section, find the time zone area. This is where you can control which time zone your calendar uses by default. Now click on Primary Time Zone. A list will appear with different cities and regions. Choose the new city or region that matches the time zone you want to use. It's important to pick the correct location, especially if multiple regions share similar time offsets, because this helps Google Calendar handle things like daylight saving time correctly. As soon as you select the new time zone, the change is applied automatically. There's nothing else you need to do. Google Calendar updates this setting right away, which makes the process very simple. After changing the time zone, it's a good idea to glance at your upcoming events and make sure everything appears as expected. This can be especially helpful if you manage meetings across different regions, or if you've recently switched devices and noticed a mismatch in event times. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone in Google Calendar. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in keeping your schedule accurate and avoiding confusion with appointments, reminders, and meetings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.